How to change font on Google Keep. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can change font on Google Keep. For this, you want to launch the Keep Note app on your device. If you don't have this application, you can head over to Play Store or App Store in order to download and install it. Once you have opened this, tap on the plus icon in order to create a new note. Now here you can type in your text. If you tap on the A icon, you have very basic options such as you can make your text bold, you can also make it italics, or you can underline your text. But if you want to change the font itself, there is no such option. However, there is a workaround to this. All you have to do is type in a text, then open up any web browser. Now head over to boldtext.io. Now you simply want to copy this text, head over to the web browser and simply paste it here. Once you do that, you can find different text font over here. Tap on show more text fonts and here you have even more options. Then you can copy whichever font you want. Now you can head back to the Google Keep app and paste that text, and as you can see, the font has now been changed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.